Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well. We are going to take today the second part in lesson 2, the urinary system. We are going to study the urinary system, its function, and the structure of each organ and its function. So the urinary system, it is the system that is responsible for removing the waste from the blood. The urinary system, it is like the filter. You remember the filter paper that we took it in the first term, and we were putting on the water or the solution and some of the waste that is trapped in the filter paper. The urinary system is like the filter or even the water purifier in your home. When the water passes through the filter traps the waste that is found in the water. Then the water goes down clean. So the function of the urinary system, it filters the blood from the nitrogenous waste, the excess salts, and excess water. Other name or other synonym of filter is clarifies. So the urinary system, it is a system that clarifies blood from nitrogenous waste, excess salts, and excess water. Again, the urinary system, it is a system that clarifies, and clarify means getting rid or filter. It filters or it clarifies the blood from nitrogenous waste, excess salt, and excess water. Or other definition, it is a group of organs, as we know that any system consists of group of organs. So the urinary system, it is a group of organs that clarifies or filters the body or the blood from the waste and harmful substance. Here is the structure of the urinary system. It consists of the 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, urinary bladder, and at the end of urinary bladder there is an opening which is called urethra. Again, the urinary system, it consists of 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, and urinary bladder. And at the end of the urinary bladder there is a urethra. Where is the location of your urinary system? We took last year that the respiratory system, it is located or it is found up here in the rib cage, and we call this cavity thoracic or chest cavity, while the digestive system was located in the abdominal cavity. Here was your digestive system. At the back of your digestive system, the urinary system is found here. Here is your urinary system. Here are the 2 kidneys, the 2 ureters, and the urinary bladder. So we can say that the urinary system, it is located in the abdominal cavity, near the backbone. Here is the backbone, here is your backbone. At the end of your backbone, here is your urinary system. Again, so urinary system, it is located in the abdominal cavity, near your backbone. Well, again, here is other structure of the urinary system. The 2 kidneys, the 2 ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Look up at the beginning of urinary system. You are having 2 blood vessels. The red one is artery and the blue one is vein. The artery carries the blood and it is filled with, or it contains, the harmful waste or the excretory material. The blood enters inside the kidney filters the blood, then the kidney pushes the waste down here, while the clean blood goes back to the veins, up to the heart, and then from the heart to all body parts. Again, here is your urinary system, and here are the 2 blood vessels. The red one is the artery, the blue one is the vein. The artery carries the blood that contains the nitrogenous waste. The blood enters the 2 kidneys. The 2 kidneys filter the blood. Then the clean blood goes back to the vein. and then from the vein to the heart, and then from the heart to all body parts. So what is the blood vessel that enters the urinary system? It is artery. What is the blood vessel that leaves the two kidneys or the urinary system? The vein. The first organ and the most important organ in the urinary system is the kidney. Here is one kidney. The kidney looks like the bean. So its shape, they are bean-shaped organs. So the two kidneys are bean-shaped organs. They are located at both sides of the backbone. Here we can ask a question. Scientific term. A bean-shaped organ, kidney. And other one. The two kidneys are located on the both sides of your backbone. As I told you, that the two kidneys are the most important organ in the urinary system. Here is other scientific term. The most important organs of the urinary system, the kidneys. The function of the kidneys is the same function of the urinary system. They filter the blood from urea and uric acid. Urea and uric acids are the nitrogenous waste, excess salts, and other waste material. You can write that the kidney filters the blood from nitrogenous waste, excess salts, and excess water. Or you can say that the kidneys filter the blood from urea, uric acid, excess salts, and excess water. So the kidney filters the blood and the waste come in the form of liquid. This liquid is called urine. This liquid is called what? Urine. So I can summarize or sum up or conclude that the urine, it consists of urea, uric acid, excess salts, and excess water. So the function of the kidney is the same function of the urinary system. The second organ are the ureters. Here are the kidneys, and what comes out from the kidneys? Here are the two tubes. These two tubes are called ureters. These two tubes are called what? Ureters. They are narrow. They are narrow. Narrow means that they are very thin. They are tubes. Tubes, I told you, tube in science means cylinder in mathematics. So they are very thin, very narrow tubes that connect. Connect means join. That join the kidney, the two kidneys with the urinary bladder. So the structure again, the ureters are two narrow tubes that connect or join the two kidneys with the urinary bladder. What is the function of the ureters, of the two ureters? It's very easy. They take the urine from the kidney, they take the filtrate or the urine from the two kidneys and join or connect them or transport them to the urinary bladder or deliver them. So the two ureters, they transfer or they deliver the urine from the two kidneys to the urinary bladder. The last organ is the urinary bladder. Here is your urinary bladder. It looks like a balloon. It looks like a balloon. So I can say that it is a balloon-like sac. And as I told you, that sac means a bag. So the structure or the shape of the urinary bladder, it is a balloon-like sac. It is a balloon-like sac. And here is other scientific term. A balloon-like sac, the answer will be urinary bladder. Then, the urinary bladder is a balloon-like sac that receives urine from the ureters. Here are the ureters. The ureters take the urine from the two kidneys up. Then the urine moves in the two ureters until it is collected in the urinary bladder. Then the urine is here. The urine is collected here in the urinary bladder. When the urinary bladder is full of urine, you feel that you need to go to the toilet to pee, to give out or to get rid of the urine. So in this balloon-like sac, which is the urinary bladder, the urine is stored here. So I can conclude that, or I can know that the structure of the urinary bladder, the function of the urinary bladder is storing urine until it is released from the body. Where is your urine stored? It is stored in the urinary bladder. When it is full of urine, you feel that you need to go to the toilet. The urine goes out from the urinary bladder through an opening which is called urethra. So the urethra, it is a part of the urinary bladder. It is an opening in the urinary bladder, and it is also looks like a tube. So I can say that urethra is a tube that extends. Extend means comes out. Urethra is a tube that extends from the urinary bladder and opens outside the body. Again, the urine is collected in the urinary bladder, so I can say that the urinary bladder stores the urine. Urethra, it is an opening at the end of the urinary bladder that opens outside your body to get rid of the urine. Here we have finished the structure of your urinary system. The last part in this lesson is how to keep the urinary system healthy. First, we have to drink a suitable amount of water, especially in summer. Why? Because in summer, the temperature is very high. You feel hot. You lose so much water from your skin by sweating. So we need to compensate the amount of water that is lost. So you have to drink suitable amount of water, especially in summer. Number 2, you have to eat healthy and balanced food that is low in salts. 3, you have to keep away from irrigation canals. These are the irrigation canals. They are used to water the crops or water the plants. In this water, we are having a type of worm that is called bilharzia disease, or bilharzia worm, or schistosomiasis worm. This causes a disease which is known as bloody urine or schistosomiasis disease. The last point is, don't keep your urine for a long period of time in the urinary bladder, because when you hold your urine in the urinary bladder, this affects or harms the kidney. The kidney won't find a place to pour or to put the liquid in, so this will affect the kidney's function. So please don't keep urine for a long period of time in the urinary bladder or in your urinary bladder. Now we have finished the lesson. I hope you study it well. And wait for me, inshallah, for the next video. Okay, thank you.